guys, let's go back in the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my toy cars, and yeah, so I'll get right back. I'm just going to skip this part off of cooking. Okay, I'm back. I got my back. GTR for sure. If we go back. More at school. And I have the battery charging for it. So, wait, I need it. Turn the camera on, so. Then we're back in, so. I have the big truck. I'm back. I had to go do some things, so if you guys saw the cars, I'll show you. Wait, so these are all the cars I have more at school. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. I'll leave my, how could you say this, proper way. Go for sand in the description.